What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download CD Tweak. In this video I will show you a nice tweak that you must download. This week we redesigned the lock screen media player in your device into this beautiful small size design. As you see, this tweak will remove the big lock screen media player and replace it with this small size on your home bar. This tweak adds a tiny media player on your home bar and also turns your home bar into a music progress bar along with track controls, so you have full control of your music with quick access to pause, track forward and track back. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add my source. After adding my source, go to the search here. Now here in the search for Media Bar 14. As you see, this is the tweak. Now all you have to do is install the tweak. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I installed the tweak and therefore I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. This is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. Okay guys, if you want to get this small size instead of the big one, make sure to activate the options like the one I did. As you see, this tweak provides some useful options such as changing the fade out speed and also the home bar width. From here you can enable dynamic artwork colors and colorize the home bar. Alright guys, after changing the settings, click on this button at the top right here to apply the changes. This tweak is beautiful and simple, and it will add a tiny media player on your home bar and also turns your home bar into a music progress bar. This tweak will make your lock screen media player beautiful and simple. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.